Wait a minute, wait a minute. All right, go ahead. Need a little more. I'm watching for you, buddy. You got that shit everywhere.
You shut up.
Everywhere.
Over here pushing somebody around.
On the floor right there.
What?
On the floor over there.
Where?
We're trying to bleed a hydro boost system. But we're trying to get all the fluid in the lines before we try to bleed the hydro boost system. Oh my God!
There's a little more water than y'all saying in there, son.
Hey, buddy. They're going to total it for flood damage. You keep on. All right, that's enough water. You got to hold off on the water. You got to do a little more work.
Yes, I just told him. I said a little less squirt and a little more sand.
Yeah, where did blue? Why is that blue in there? I can't figure that out.
Some kind of paint or something over this rust, and then went back over and tried to paint it. That's what I was telling you. The thick, see how thick it is right here?
Yeah.
The further I go back this way, the thicker that.
So is that blue under that red?
It's under this red.
Yeah, but then under that is a good red.
Right. Underneath of that blue is actually underneath that blue is going to be like this. That right there was all blue. See where the blue was up here?
Yeah.
It was down here too. They took paint and shot over the metal instead of primer.
I got you.
And then went back over with primer over top of.
So where it was showing the rust, they just put that.
Right. Where it was showing rust, they put that.
I got what you're saying.
Turquoise paint, whatever.
Old trucks coming together.
A little less squirt, a little more sand.
Even if Glenn did get red on my damn bumper, I'd just paint it. Oh, that's it. That's it. Make a mess. And on the wheels, I just cleaned.
Hit them with this. That wouldn't go over very good. No.
I ain't done many videos because I've been thrashing trying to get this thing done. We'll do a little story time with the front end alignment though. All right, so clips off of it need a front end alignment. Well, they can't do a front end alignment with the 24s on it. So I got 16-inch wheels put on it. They go on the front, but the rear is like a 2007 Dodge 3500 single wheel rear end, so they won't fit because the disc brakes. So a buddy of mine, I post on Facebook, a buddy of mine here in town's got some, try them, 16.5s, they won't work. A buddy of mine lives on away from here, has got a set, says he'll bring them to work. Well, then he messages and says his daughter's sick, he ain't gonna be at work till later. Well, I got an appointment to get this thing lined up. Well, let me add, the alignment was the 2nd, the show's the 4th. I asked John Scott, Clifton Tire, excellent guy. I said, if there's any way possible that you can get me in, somebody cancels, let me know. All right, well, he calls the next day. I hadn't even had his truck running. No brakes, no nothing. So I'm like, I'll do my best. He says, bring it the next day, which was yesterday. So fast forward anyways, I'm rushing, scrambling, get the truck running. Fuel pump is in backwards. I have no idea why. We've put, at least 10 of them in. I got it in backwards. The pickup on the damn fuel cell is backwards. I mean, it's just one thing after another, where I guess it was in and out, I unhooked and hooked. And anyways, again, we'll fast forward. I go up on Potts Creek to get the wheels and realize that my buddy has a Ford truck that I sold him, which is 8x170, won't work. So I leave there and go to Iron Gate, which is 45 minutes from Potts Creek, to get a set of wheels another guy had. Real nice guy, offered them. Get there and he's got a Duramax 2015 8x180. So here we are. So a buddy I work with ended up letting me use these to get it down there to get alignment on it. Get it down there, then John Scott calls and says it won't fit on the lift because the front end with the dolly spindles or the dolly hubs, it's setting out too far. The tires are, it won't fit on his lift or on his alignment machine. So I have to borrow a set of dolly 16-inch wheels for the front from another buddy. Take them down there and put them on, and they work. He gets it lined up. They done an excellent job. Of course, the front clip was off of it. He could get to everything pretty easy, which I kept holding off, hoping that I could get it done before I done that. So, had the steps left. Glenn is sanding this primer. If you can see from here down, they primered it or something. He's getting that off, trying to blend it in. I took a bumper off, made some brackets and mounted it and painted it white and then scuffed it down so it looks like it's old. And he's going to do the grill and the Chevrolet emblem. And that's our helper right there. I ain't sure what's going on with the water system there. You want to get the water hose over here?
Yeah. I knew I set him up because he hollered at him and come around the truck, and I stuck that thing around there. When I seen his head come around, I shot him right in the nose.
You got him?
I knew it was going to be on from there. That's fine. Hey, less water, more sand. I'll tell you
that
what,
truck's gonna look good when it's done, though.
About me, the steps will be about that high off the ground.
Yeah, they're right there. Which I did not want to bottom everything out.
Hey, was you gonna paint them steps what?
No, they're aluminum.
Oh, they're aluminum?
Yeah, they're kind of ugly, but it goes with the truck. They're like aluminum that they just folded over. End up having to move the fill neck on it up here due to the heater core being so high on this thing. I didn't want to pop a top and drain the heater core. So anyways, the fans were backwards. So I rewired them to come to find out the plug-ins I put up here were flipped around. Like I say, I'm more worst enemy. I got something up here squalling. I can't figure it out. It's one of these daggone pulleys. I'll figure it out eventually. Well, that's it for now. You having fun?
Oh, God, boy, you got me up.
All right, buddy, hang on. Yeah, one job. Here, that's your color, anywho. Oh man, and one job, Scott. One bolt, and you about broke it off. I know it's stripped because you said, "Is this the right size?" It tells me you stripped it. Yeah. Well, my old lady kept saying, "Well, the pedal feels the same." Yeah. Like hell it does. All right, go to the other side. We can't afford to mess this side up more. Yeah. Make sure the fluids. Oh yeah, we got good fluid. Oh, you gonna just crawl plumb underneath there. I remember when I was in the 2nd grade, I could do that shit. You gonna get that red on your britches. Yeah, well, that makes sense though. Them old Chevrolet small block Chevys. Huh. All right, hey, don't open it yet. All right. All right, go to the back, buddy. You can do it outside on the back frame without being under it. Hell, you ain't but what, 72, 73? 94. You got red on your britches. I give you a damn map.
What the hell is the damn wrench?
You done lost the 10?
No, I lost the damn.
Yeah, it's 10 millimeter. We can pull back under there to get it. It's probably on the damn caliper over there. Oh, 10 millimeter? Yeah. Yeah, wrench is in the steering. Did you find it?
No.
Well, you know after 10 minutes of use, the 10 millimeter grows legs, don't you? Is it in your back pocket? I always put them in my back pocket.
Put a blind man underneath the truck and leaves the brake.
Damn, buddy, what'd you do with it?
I don't know. I slide down under with it in my hand.
Damn, buddy. You all right?
Yeah. One of them fucking days, Here it is.
I mean, you was under, what, was you working under the hood or what?
No, that's where I put my hand up there on that.
Here, let me have it. You get back there and I'll bring it to you so you don't lose it. That one's 11 millimeter. The wrench is setting up above you there. Right there in front, right there. You can put that, can you put that thing on that one?
I'm gonna try.
Put the box in, then stick it on there. It's got a hook on it. You can hook it on the frame right there. Like the bottle.
All right.
You ready? Yeah. All right, hang on. Let me pump it. All right. All right, tighten it up. I don't know. I ain't figured that out. I don't know how the hell it got up on the frame rail. Hoof hurt. Yeah, I'm ready. Ooh. All right. Tighten it up. That's good. That's all I needed.
I ain't time starting on Scott. Your mama said you fuck around her again. You got a shotgun, shovel, and an alibi. I call it a troll.
A troll?
Yeah. I'll tell you one thing, big as old, she's a feisty little thing, ain't she?
And a what?
Back in couch, buddy, around my damn neck, and lucky I fell back in front of the couch. And hell, she didn't even turn away from the grip, choking my eyeball down my head. I said, choking you, Mom. Choking me. She just kept holding on. I could get up.
Mama done got that ass. She probably had good reason, too, though.
That air hose to stick back in there and blow that out. I didn't realize you was filming, buddy.
Huh? Oh, you're good. Just as long as I ain't on the wheels. It'll mess that aluminum up. I don't know, but I don't want to chance it. I ain't never heard somebody say that it would, but I definitely don't want to chance it. Brake fluid, don't you?
No, we talking.
Yeah.
Dot 4.
I was tired of looking for something.
That's dot 4.
What?
Dot 4.
Yeah, but 66 Chevrolets, they require dot 4. FMX.
Is that compatible with dot 3?
I don't know, but it's only got dot 4 in it, so we're good. All right, that's a wrap. The brakes are done. Thank you. This is Scott. This one done all the hard work. Got all the brackets and rivets, and Hunter, he just does this.
That's all I do.
You see what he's been doing.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.
There you go.